This guide will walk you through the process to how to edit a running group package in Tigapo. From the Tigapo homepage, click on Visitors in the side menu as highlighted in green. Search for a user by typing their name or using the enrollment reader to scan their tag, as shown on the visual. For app users, scan the QR code displayed on the reader screen. Once the user has been identified, the user page will open and display their activity. From the user page, go to the Group Packages section to access the package screen and click on the user icon as highlighted in blue. The Group Package Details page will open. To access the Participants screen, click the Participants and Price button as highlighted in blue. In the Participants, page will open, and here you can view the current users in the package as well as add or remove users as needed. To remove a user, simply click the trash icon on the row for the user you want to remove as highlighted in green. To add additional users to the package, use the enrollment reader to scan their tag and their ID will be saved to this package. When ready to finalize the edits, click Save to apply the changes as highlighted in blue. Thanks for watching.